Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 17-inch Hyundai screen to our UB70 series LED strips, LED kits. This screen is made by Hyundai, or you can say somebody called, now it's become Hydius. The screen part number is HT17E11-300. It's a 17-inch screen. It has a four lamps, two on the bottom, two on the top. Basically, it's quite easy to replace it. All you need to do just pull this backlight assembly out and just swap with our UB70 series strip. There's two tiny screws here that holds the reflectors. So what we do is the same thing. We're gonna unscrew it, set it aside, unscrew it, set it aside, and just hold it like this and slowly pull out one. Do the same thing on the other one. Pull out. Go. Now, top, bottom. So here's a 70 series LED backlight lamp. So we're gonna mount it inside the reflector. Before we do so, we want to test this LED strips. Make sure it's all LED lights up. So just connect to the power supply, fire up the strip. Good, everything lights up, perfect. Okay. Now, we're going to do one at a time. To remove it, it's quite simple. On the back, just loosen up the low voltage return wire. Usually they tape it, use a double side tape. And loosen it up, flick over, open up this end, just pull it. Do the same thing on this side. Done. So we're gonna peel this thing off, the cover tape, same thing. Okay. Then we're gonna set it in the center. Make sure you put it in the center. Not center. Okay. Perfect. Push it down, make sure you have a good contact with the reflectors. That's it, done. Slice back. Put the screw back here. One done, then do the other one, the bottom one. Just loosen up. Okay, open up this a little bit. Okay, done. And open up this. Remove this double side tape. Okay. So align the strip, make sure it's in the center, and just push it down. Done. So slice right back. Put back the screw. And we're gonna add a couple tips to stabilize this LED strip wire. So what we do is you can add any tips and or electrical tips or any type of tip. Okay, we're gonna open up a little bit here. There we go. Okay. Okay, make sure you stay there. This end do the same. Okay, do the same on this end. Okay, now we're gonna cover this section. Make sure the light won't bleed out. So again, this screen, you see there's a two screw holes. You can mount the screen first. After that, you use this tip to mount it. But I just want to show you how it works. So let's It's like this. Carbon H. You see? Okay. Do the same thing on the other one. That's right here. So peel off. Alright, here, put an edge on it. Now it's done. So as you can see, upgrade the 17-inch screen to our UB70 series is quite easy. In fact, much easier than replacing CCFL, because you don't have to do the soldering and stuff like that. So that's it. Thank you for watching.